Many users install modified Windows ISOs hoping for better performance, but this approach is risky and unsafe. Modified ISOs can contain hidden malware, broken system components, missing security updates, and unstable configurations. AtlasOS offers a much safer solution. It is not a modified ISO, but a powerful post-installation optimization framework that transforms a clean, official Windows installation into a lightweight, performance-focused system. In this video, I will explain what AtlasOS is, how to download and install it step by step, how to protect your system before installation, and how to recover safely if anything goes wrong. What is AtlasOS? AtlasOS is a performance optimization project designed for Windows 10 and Windows 11. It focuses on reducing system latency, lowering RAM and CPU usage, removing unnecessary background services, improving gaming and overall system responsiveness. AtlasOS does not replace Windows. It optimizes an existing, official Windows installation. Before installing AtlasOS, very important. Before making any system changes, protection is essential. Update Windows first. Open Settings. Go to Windows Update. Install all available updates. Restart your PC if required. This ensures compatibility and stability. Create a system restore point, required. Open System Protection. Select your system drive, C. Click Create. Name it, Before AtlasOS. Wait until the restore point is created. Full system backup, strongly recommended. For maximum safety, create a full system backup. As explained in my previous video, use AOMEI Backupper, free, 2026, to create a complete Windows 11 backup. This allows full recovery even if Windows fails to boot. Downloading AtlasOS, official and safe. Open your web browser. Search for AtlasOS official website. Make sure you are on the official AtlasOS page. Go to the Download section. Download the latest AtlasOS release for Windows 10 or Windows 11. Do not download AtlasOS from unofficial websites. Preparing for installation. Installing AtlasOS, step by step. Right-click the downloaded AtlasOS archive. Extract the files using Windows Extractor or 7-zip/WinRAR. Open the extracted folder. Right-click the AtlasOS installer. Select Run as administrator. Some antivirus programs may detect AtlasOS scripts as false positives. Temporarily disable your antivirus. Optional: disconnect from the Internet. You can re-enable antivirus after installation. AtlasOS installation process. Read all on-screen information carefully. Accept the terms. Choose the recommended preset. Confirm the installation. AtlasOS will now disable unnecessary Windows services, remove bloatware, optimize system scheduling, reduce background resource usage. Do not close the installer during this process. Restart and post-installation checks. Restart your PC when prompted. Allow Windows to complete post-install tasks. Open Task Manager. Check. Lower RAM usage. Reduced background processes. Improved system responsiveness. AtlasOS is now active. How to revert AtlasOS safely. If you experience any issues, use System Restore to revert changes, or restore your full system backup using AOMEI Backupper. This is why backups are critical. Final thoughts. AtlasOS is one of the best and safest alternatives to modified Windows ISOs in 2026. However, always use official Windows installations. Always create backups before optimization. Never skip safety steps. Performance is important, but safety comes first. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.